So children, as we have completed all our portion for FA3, the Benji is more surprising lesson and Tenali Rama and the Great Pandit lesson. Now we will be going on with the revision classes. Okay. So the chapter 7 and 8 are there for your FA3. I hope you all have completed the textbook part and work, the part 2 book. The written part is all completed, I think, right? So now let me tell you what all will be there in the exam. Let me make everything easy for you to learn. Okay. So read the question answers. The question answers only from textbook, children. Learn the question answers only from textbook. Okay. And then see, there is a passage and question answers, right? So don't read the passage. Read only the answers and the questions. Okay. And then coming to grammar part, read the grammar part fully. Okay. Learn the grammar part. Learn the grammar part and then see, do not miss any of the bits, children. Okay. Read all the grammar part. Alright. And then coming to Tenali Rama and the Great Pandit lesson. And children, as usually, learn the new words also. Learn the new words also, children. Do not miss even the new words. New words are also there in your exam. So, learn the new words also perfectly. Practice the spellings. Do not write any spelling mistakes. Okay? And then coming to Tenali Rama's lesson, learn the new words also. Okay? There are 7 new words in this lesson, right? So, learn these new words also. And then coming to learn the spellings perfectly. And children, start reading the question answers as usually, just like Benji's lesson. For this lesson also, for 8th lesson also, read the question answers. Learn or study the question answers only from textbook, children. Okay. And the grammar part. Coming to the grammar part, what you will do is learn these verbs, adverbs and adjectives, children. Okay. So coming to the adverbs and adjectives, see, learn this and learn the past tense also. See, for some it is sweep and swept. For clean it is cleaned. For fell it is, for fall it is fell. Okay. There are some different words for the past tense of the given words here. Okay. So see to it correctly and learn them, children. Okay. And then coming to the grammar part, the practice zone 3. Learn the practice zone 3 fully. Okay. Do not leave these boxes. Okay. Do not leave these boxes. For this section, for the adverbs and adjectives, learn the boxes also. Okay. The example or the explanation boxes, learn that also, children. Okay. And then